The World Health Organization said, in its comment on the reports about a new strain of coronavirus in Britain, it is in close contact with the authorities of this country. The World Health Organization confirmed that an outbreak of the new strain was monitored of the coronavirus that was recently discovered in Britain and 3 other countries. These are Denmark, the Netherlands and Australia, according to breaking news for the Russia Today network. The organization stated that the British authorities, it continues to provide all the information it has on the new type of COVID-19, including results of analysis and ongoing research. The organization added, in a tweet on Twitter, "We will continue to inform member states and the public of new information when we get more about the characteristics of this type of virus and about any consequences that may result from his appearance." Earlier, Britain confirmed the discovery of a new species of the coronavirus discovered in the country. She stated that this strain could be 70% more contagious than usual, so residents should be more careful. The British authorities have noted that there is no indication that the risk of this strain is greater in terms of deaths or hospitalization. Yesterday, Prime Minister Boris Johnson announced on imposing new restrictions in London and the southeast of England, which, he said, basically means closure. The authorities of Scotland and Wales have also announced tougher measures, while the British Health Minister Matt Hook announced the new strain of coronavirus was out of control, confirming in statements to Sky News the difficulty of controlling the new strain of corona before the vaccines are distributed on a large scale.